know what it's like the day before your supermarket shop, right? There's nothing in the fridge, everyone's hungry, and you've got no idea what to make. Here's a little tip on how you can use Cookidoo to search for inspiration using one ingredient. And if you have Cookidoo 3.0, how to scale it to how many people you're cooking for and save it to your created recipes for future use. You can even plan your dinner from your phone while you're on the ferry, bus, train, or waiting for the kids to finish their after-school activities. And if you have a significant other or a reliable teenager at home who can start dinner off for you, you can even put it into your planner for the day so they can start dinner for you. It was one of those days for me. All I had in the freezer was prawns. So I opened up Cookidoo, tapped search at the bottom, opened the filter and scrolled down to ingredients. I typed in prawns and selected prawns raw peeled, then scrolled down to total time and picked under 30 minutes because I wanted something real quick. There were 17 results for the prawn raw peeled option. I scrolled through the results and the prawn, I don't even know how to say it properly, arabatia jumped out at me. I opened the recipe and scrolled through the ingredients to see if I had them in the pantry. Parmesan, check. Tin tomatoes, check. Pasta, check. Had all that stuff in my pantry. Simple. I'm only cooking it for me and hubby, though, so I scaled the recipe to 2 servings and saved it for later, as I can see it will be one for the emergency dinners list in the future. When you select 2 servings, it automatically reduces the ingredients by 50%. The cooking times are also adjusted. Tap Save to save to your created recipes. When you actually look at the preparation steps, you can see the green underline, which indicates the ingredients, quantities, and the cooking settings have been pre-saved in each preparation step, and you will be able to make this recipe as an interactive guided cooking experience in your TM6. Tap Done, and it is saved to my created recipes. I am going to add to my week to cook today. You can tap on the 3 dots and tap Cook Today. This is a real quick and easy dinner for your teenager to cook, and your husband, or anybody else in the house. It literally cooks within 15 minutes for 2 servings anyway, but longer if it's 4, and it's delicious. Absolute genius. This is why I love my Thermomix so much. Happy cooking!